Guys, are you tired of not making money with your digital products? Well, hold on to your seats because I'm about to show you how to dive into the thriving world of online income. So, if you're watching this, you're already on the path to embark on this amazing journey, and I've got a story that will knock you off your feet. Alright? So, meet Manifestable. I'm not sure if I'm saying it right. So Manifestable is a little Etsy shop that decided to take the digital world by storm. In just a little under a year and a half, they raked in a total of over $37,500 with just one product, and the total sales in the entire shop was over 73,000 sales, guys. What's the secret? Selling digital products, of course. They sold digital journals, digital planners, and digital stickers. But don't just take my word for it. Stick around because there's more treasure to uncover in this video. Wondering how you can get in on the action with your very own digital product? Well, you're in luck because we've got a blueprint to get you started today. First thing first, you need to pick a niche, something that speaks to you and addresses a problem people need solving. It can be in any niche you fancy, and we've got some suggestions to kickstart your creative juices. But remember, while there are fantastic options, market research is your secret weapon to success, okay? So you need to do your own research. All right? Just putting it out there. So the first niche I would like to talk about is a wellness and self-care niche. So basically you can create digital products or digital journals for self-care routines, mindfulness and relaxation techniques, and also with some well-crafted printables that persons can easily print out. The next niche we have is personal finance. So with that, you can help persons get on track with budgeting worksheets, expense trackers, debt payoff printables, and financial goal planners. So all these are ideas, very good ideas that you can start creating in these niches today. Okay, next we have educational resources. Yeah, so basically you can help persons who are homeschooling by printing out printables such as study aids, educational games, and teaching materials. Okay, so that will help a lot of persons who are doing homeschooling at home. So next we have meal planning and recipe organization. So basically you can help people make cooking a breeze with meal planners, grocery lists, recipe cards, and cooking conversion charts. I know I need that. I always go on Pinterest to find out the conversions for ounces and grams and all these things. Okay, so that will help someone, I know for sure. So next we have wedding planning. All right, so basically you can be the fairy godmother of wedding planning with checklists, budget trackers, seating charts, and invitation templates. So these are nice little things that you can create and put in your store to help you sell. Next we have health and fitness. So basically you can create workout logs, fitness goal trackers, meal and calorie trackers, and weight loss progress sheets. Next we have productivity and time management. So basically you can help people boost their productivity and time management with digital planners, to-do lists, goal setting worksheets, and time management tool, guys. Yeah. Next on the list we have hobbies and crafts. So this is a very popular niche, and craft enthusiasts will love knitting patterns, sewing templates, coloring books, and crafting guides that will help them with their craft, basically. Guys, let's not forget home organization. So basically you can help persons to bring order to chaos with decluttering checklists, cleaning schedules, home maintenance logs, and room makeover planners. So these are some great ideas. But wait, there's more. We've got niches like baby and parenting, travel planning, holiday and seasonal, and even mindful and affirmation printables. So the possibilities are endless. Okay, guys? And hey, if you're itching to launch your digital product business, right now head over to instantrights.com. So we've got a treasure chest of done for you templates that you can customize to fit your style, and boom, you're ready to start selling. Okay, so don't procrastinate. It's time to seize the day and take control of your financial future, guys. So if you're ready to kickstart your digital product business, go ahead and grab your digital business starter kit. I'll guide you through the entire process so you're never felt wondering what's next. If you've got value from this video, guys, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Your support means the world to me and it keeps me motivated. So once you've pinpointed your niche, it's time to roll up your sleeves and get creative. That's my best part. So let us look at how we can create our digital products. Okay, so when it comes to creating digital products, my go-to tool for this creative journey is Canva. However, there's a world of options out there, including Google Docs, Microsoft Word, and many more. Okay, but if you're eager to dive in without delay, look no further than instantrights.com. So we have an array of ready-to-use templates that will land directly in your inbox. You can then personalize them on canva.com to match your unique style. So now that we have created our digital products using Canva or your preferred choice of software, we will now talk about sharing your digital product with the world. How would you do that? Okay, so with your digital masterpiece in hand, it's time to share it. People need to see the awesome thing that you have created. So you've got a plethora of options from platforms like Etsy, Amazon, Gumroad, Payhip, Standstore, Podia, to even your own website, which is my personal favorite. The power is in your hands and the choice is basically yours. Okay, so if the thought of setting up your shop feels a bit overwhelming, don't worry, guys. I've got you. I've created a comprehensive step-by-step guide to assist you in establishing your Standstore, your Gumroad store, and your Payhip store. Okay, so you'll find the links to all of these down below. Okay, so check it out afterwards. So by the way, guys, if you're enjoying this content and you're eager for more, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, guys. Your support means the world to me and it keeps the inspiration flowing. Moving on, let us ignite your digital product success with marketing, and we'll talk about how you're going to market our digital products. Okay, so as you know, marketing is a magic wand that propels your digital product to new heights. You can conquer this organically by harnessing the power of social media platforms. You can craft engaging reels or short videos and post them to platforms like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram, and Facebook, and even Pinterest. Okay, so wondering what kind of videos you should create? Well, I've got you. Okay, guys, I have a huge list of 50 video starter hooks to kickstart your video creation journey today. All right, so you can also get that for free down below. Right now, here are some video types that will captivate your audience. Okay, so let us just talk about some videos that we can create to grab person's attention. All right, so the first video is product introduction video. All right, so basically in this video you will showcase your digital product, briefly explaining what it is and how it can benefit the customer, the user, or your target audience. You can also create tutorial or how-to videos. These are simple videos where you create step-by-step guides or tutorials showing persons how they can effectively use your digital product. Next, we have customer testimonials. So you can gather and share video testimonials from satisfied customers who have used your digital products in the past. So another type of video you can create is behind the scenes video. So basically you can show the process of creating your digital products, giving viewers a glimpse of your work and dedication, right? Another type is product comparison video. You can compare your digital product to similar products in the market, highlighting the advantages of choosing yours, okay, your digital product. Next, we have storytelling videos. You can share a compelling story about why you created the digital product and the problem it solves, okay guys? And another video you can create is a teaser or promo video, right? So you can create a very short attention grabbing video that provides a sneak peek of your digital products features or benefits, right? And simply you can create a product walkthrough video. You can offer an in-depth walkthrough of your digital product showing how every component. And lastly, we have FAQ video. Basically you can answer common questions that customers may have about your digital product. You can address concerns, pricing, compatibility, and other relevant information or questions that they may have. So guys, if you're eager for more, I do have a video where I have provided you with 10 creative reel ideas that you can use to promote your digital products, and you can watch this in this video next, okay? So guys, keep in mind that your journey into the digital world universe just got a whole lot more exciting